Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever signed up for a affiliate program, grabbed your link and get super excited? And the boom, nothing happens. No click, no sales, just silence. I have been there, and today I am going to show you the easiest way to make money with affiliate links without a website. No blog, no email list, no paid ads. Just smart strategy. And the best part, it's all based on the real data and what's working right now in 2025. People think you need a fancy website to make affiliate money. No. In fact, some of the top earners, beginners I know started with zero audience and no site. They just know where to post, what to say, and how to drive curiosity, and I walk you through the step-by-step system in this video. Let's start with some truth. 81% of brands worldwide use affiliate programs. Affiliate marketing spending in the US alone to excited hit to 13 billion in 2025. But here's the shocking parts. Over the 90% of affiliate marketers fail, not because of bad products, but because they don't know how to get eyes on their links. Now, if you don't have a website, what do you need? You need a platforms that allow you share content, build curiosity, and create value. Well, dive into those shortly. Here's the 5 platforms that work best for affiliate marketing in 2025 with no website required. Number 1 is Quora. 300 million plus monthly users answer questions related to your product niche and your affiliate link as a helpful recommendation. Example, it promoting a video editing tools, answer what the best tool to create YouTube shorts. Then naturally mention your links. Pro tips: don't spam, add value. Focus on getting people to trust you before clicking. Number 2 is Pinterest. 250 plus millions active users. 85% of users say they go their planned purchase. Create vertical pins using Canva, link to affiliate products directly or through a big pages like Bitcoins or Gumroad. Pin with a clear city gets 80% more engagement. Pins can go viral even 3 to 6 months after posting. Number 3 is YouTube Shorts. You don't need a long video or editing skills. Just talking head video saying when to know the tool I used to make this. Link in the bio. Place your affiliate link in your bio or descriptions. Shorts get over 50 billions daily views. That's traffic waiting to happen. Number 4 is Reddit. Carefully join the subreddits relevant your niche. Engage fast, then use cover indirect linking. You can also use a big pages to avoid direct affiliate links. Reddit hates spam. Build calm fast. Number 5 is Medium or free blog sites. Use medium.com or Blogger to write a mini product reviews. Use your affiliate links inside in the articles. Medium has 175 million monthly users, allows monetization plus linking. How to drive clicks plus sales without a website. You can have the best affiliate links in the world, but if nobody clicks, it's useless. So here's the real strategy. Use curiosity driven copy instead of the saying click out this tool I have used. Say something like that's AI tool saved me 2 hours every day and it's free. See how. Build a big page, free tools like Bitcoins or Linktree or cart. Let me create on the simple landing page that's help you avoid link bans. Add multiple affiliate links, track clicks. Create short, valuable content, don't sell, helps. Give value in 15 to 30 seconds. Example, when to write content 10x faster? I use these 3 tools, point down, then link into the bio or comment. Repurpose your work, post on same content on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, on steps. 4 platforms, 4x exposure. 0 website needed. My personal framework for fast affiliate wins. Let me show you what I personally do. The exact process I follow every week to promote affiliate products without a website. A step-by-step system. Research 30 minutes, look up 5 questions on Quora or Reddit in my niche. Create 3 short videos using a mobile script I film into on go. Design 2 pins on Canva using template. Post to all platforms, Quora, Shorts, Pinterest, and Threads. All under in 3 hours week. Results? My first week doing this strategy, I earned 37 USD. The second week, I earned 150 USD. By week, the 4 over the 250 in commission, all without a website. Final tips: what to avoid. Before we wrap up, let's cover some mistakes to avoid. Don't post raw affiliate links anywhere. Use a bridge or redirect. Don't promote a low quality products. Only promote tools you trust. Don't ignore analytics. Use Bitly or Bitcoins to track link clicks. Final tips. Consistency wins even if you have go to 10 clicks today and 0 sales. Keep going because on your content compound the clicks and money start rolling in. If you got value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comments. I am ready to earn with no website. And if you went to my full affiliate starter toolkits, check out the first link in the descriptions. I am CP and see you in the next earn.